When you're looking for a travel trailer that fits your family's needs, you can't go wrong with Heartland. They've been making top-notch travel trailers since 2004. Today, I want to take you on a tour of their line of excellent conventional travel trailers, the Heartland Pioneer. In the Pioneer, you'll find features you may not expect to find. So what do you say we go take a look? Within a Pioneer interior, you'll be in complete comfort walking tall in the 80-inch ceiling height as you enjoy a cool 13,500 BTU ducted AC, or keep your feet warm with in-floor ducted heat. Slink down into easy relaxation in the jackknife sofa with flip-down center console and create some ambiance with the Pioneer's LED accent lighting. A Pioneer kitchen includes solid surface countertops, a large stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet, microwave oven, ball-bearing drawer guides, 3-burner cooktop, range hood with light and exhaust fan, and double-door fridge. A Pioneer bedroom, ready for all your resting needs with a full-size residential queen bed with an inner spring mattress. USB charging and electrical outlets are on both sides of the bed. There's storage for your CPAP machine, an overhead cabinet above the bed, and full-length dual wardrobe closets with integrated lighting. Plus, you'll find wood doors for privacy in most models and in the bunk rooms in bunkhouse models where applicable. In the bathroom, you'll find what others won't have, a medicine cabinet with a built-in shelf. Keeping your toes tapping isn't a problem in the Pioneer, where you'll find an AM/FM, MP3, CD entertainment system with inside and outside speakers. There are spots for TV hookup, including a cable TV hookup and crank-up TV antenna with signal booster. Want a clean travel trailer? All Pioneers have a full linoleum floor and no carpet in the slide-outs to help keep sand and dirt from hiding. On a Pioneer exterior, you'll find the Pioneer Power Pack, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, and power awning with LED lights. You'll be able to camp early and late into the camping season with a heated and enclosed underbelly. You'll also be able to clean you, your kids, or your dogs with the outside shower that has both hot and cold water. As far as exterior storage, you'll have plenty of space with the Pioneer's King Kong pass-through storage with 52 cubic feet of space, plus you get a flip-down storage rack on the rear of the Pioneer. Other exterior features include the convenient black tank flush and a TV hookup. So what do you say we check out the floor plans? Now we're going to take a look at them. Effectively, they break down into 3 types: the bunkhouse, rear living, and toy hauler. Let's dive into the bunkhouse models first. The all-new BH170 packs a lot into its 21 feet. Double-over-double bunks, a convertible dinette, and a unique Murphy bed system to allow you to sleep up to 7. It also has an outside kitchen. The BH250 stretches to nearly 30 feet and adds a jackknife sofa to make it capable of sleeping 8. You'll note it has a solid door to enter the master bedroom. Now the BH280, with a capacity of 8 sleepers, has a large slide out with a huge U-shaped dinette, a large TV facing the sofa, and an outside kitchen. The BH305, limited in availability, has an open bunk room with 2 sets of stacked twin bunks, a large slide out, L-shaped kitchen, plus an exterior kitchen. This one can easily sleep 8. The new Pioneer is the BH322. This one comes with a bunk room having a pocket door plus a unique set of twin flip-down bunks that go over a double bed. You'll also find a large pantry, huge living area slide out, and a walk-around queen bed. The BH322 has the ability to handle 8 sleepers. A trio of slide-outs is found on the all-new BH330. This private bunk room has a sofa bunk combo and a slide. The living area has its own huge slide, and the bedroom has its bed and a slide. The BH330 also comes with a massive wardrobe closet, washer-dryer prep, and an exterior kitchen. The BH330 can sleep 8. New to the scene is the BH335. Has a private bunk room with opposing slide-outs, a large living area slide-out, and a big entertainment center. The BH335 can sleep 8. A popular Pioneer bunkhouse is the QB300. Capable of sleeping 8, the QB300 has a bunk room with a kiddie dinette, a large slide out with a massive U-shaped dinette, and an open living area with a large entertainment center, plus a pair of solid sliding doors to close off the bedroom. The DS320 is a whopping 37 feet in length. The private bunk room has twin bunks and game chairs. The DS320 bathroom has direct access from the exterior. A large living area slide out opens up the main space to accommodate an L-shaped kitchen. The DS320 can sleep up to 8. Pioneer has a comprehensive selection of rear living models as well. The all-new SS171, only 23 feet long, has a large slide-out, pull-out bunk over jackknife sofa, and can accommodate 5 sleepers. The RE275 has a ton of counter space, living area slide-out, walk-through bathroom, outside kitchen, plus has a large TV. The RE275 can sleep up to 4. Now the RK280, with a massive amount of counter space, is all kitchen on the back end. A pair of swivel rockers sit across from the living area slide out, plus it has a walk-through bathroom. Pioneer has a great set of toy haulers as well. The RG26 has 14 feet of garage space, a walk-through bathroom, 2 fold-up sofas, and can sleep up to 4. The RG27 has nearly 14 feet of garage, a kitchen slide out, swivel rockers, a sliding door for the bedroom, and can sleep up to 4. The RG28 has an enclosed garage space separated from the rest of the interior via a walk-through bathroom. A large U-shaped dinette sits in a slide out, and there is a second entry door going directly into the garage. The RG28 can sleep up to 5. So as you can see, the Heartland Pioneer line has a lot going for it that'll keep your family camp happy for years. With their wide variety of floor plans, we're sure you'll be able to find a Pioneer that'll fit your RVing needs.